Hi, kindergartners. Let's follow along with Scout as we learn about the numbers 11 and 12.
How can you count and write 11 and 12 with words and numbers?
Hi there! Welcome to the hen house. There are lots of nests here. Enough for all the chickens. There are labels with numbers on most of the nests. Can you help me read the numbers? I think they're in order. Click the nest marked 1 and we'll say the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! The numbers are in order. Oh no! It looks like the labels for these two nests do not have numbers. I wonder what number should be on the labels. Let's see. Let's count forward from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. What numbers would come next? Come on, let's learn how to count and write numbers that are greater than 10. Then we'll solve this problem.
Look at the counters. How many counters are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 10 counters in the 10 frame and 1 counter below it.
Do you remember how to write 11?
So 11 is 10 ones and 1 more 1. Let's see what 11 looks like as a number. Now click the number 11 to see it as a word. Let's spell 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. Let's see what happens when we place 1 more counter in the set. How many counters are there now? Because we have a full 10 frame, we know there are 10 ones and 1 more and 2 more ones. This means that 10 ones and 2 more ones is 12. There are 12 counters. 12 is 1 more than 11. Let's see what 12 looks like as a number. Now click the number 12 to see it as a word.
Can you guess what letter 12 is going to start with?
Let's spell 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. Now you know how to show 12 as a number and a word. How many counters are there? Let's count to tell how many. A full 10 frame has 10 counters. How many more counters are there? 1. 11 is 10 ones and 1 more 1. Select the number that shows how many counters. Good job! This number shows 11. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
This one says, Sue saw a full 10 frame and some more counters. Explain how she can tell how many there are without counting all the counters. Well, we already know that that 10 frame is full, so it has 10 counters. So we can say 10, 11. A full 10 frame has 10 counters. She can start from 10 and count how many more there are.
Excellent!
Brooke picked some flowers. How many flowers did she pick? Take a second and count those flowers. Our choices are 13, 10, or 11. When I counted 11.
You did it!
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer.
Count how many flowers there are. Go ahead and count those flowers. I'm going to count them out loud. You can point and touch them as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And letter A is the choice that shows 11.
Great work!
Count and enter how many blue tiles. Well, I see a whole 10 frame, so that's a group of 10. 10 and one more makes 11. Remember, 11 is a 1 and a 1.
Good job!
Select the addition sentence that matches the picture. Let's see. Do we see a group of 10 plus one more equals 12 counters? A group of 10 plus one more equals 11 counters? Or a group of 10 plus one more equals 10 counters? Well, I see a group of 10 and I see one more. Let's count how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I think the correct answer is B. 10 plus 1 equals 11.
Fantastic!
Good job. Count how many green squares are there. Go ahead and count. I counted 11 again. There's the answer that shows 11.
Fantastic!
Yay! Brooke picked some flowers. How many flowers did she pick? Go ahead and count those flowers. Did you count 12? I did. 12 is a 1 and a 2.
Good job!
Sue saw a full 10 frame and some more counters. Explain how she can tell how many there are without counting all the counters. Well, again, a full 10 frame has 10 counters, so she can start from 10 and count how many more there are.
Awesome!
Scout sees some nests with labels. The labels are numbered, but the last two labels do not have numbers. Scout wants to know what numbers should be on the labels. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at choice A. I see an 8 and 11. That's not what I said. Look at choice B. I see 11 and 12. Let's see if we're right.
Awesome!
Good job.
Trainer, it includes the exercise.
Let's see what Scout has to say.
Thanks for helping me figure out the numbers. See you soon!
Bye, Scout. And bye, kindergartners. Keep learning every day. I miss you. Bye.